you told your friend you're not okay?
The third step will be installing DataDash application and adding the miner. So just now we are on iPhone, Apple Store, and we're gonna download and install the application. So now we're gonna create the account. Depends on your location. In my case will be Europe. And as you can see, we have MXC supernode. So here you're gonna put your email. You're gonna put your password as well. You'll receive a email from MXC in order to activate your account. So, and now we're gonna talk about Google Play. So if you have Android phone, you can download the Android version as well. Just type DataDash app and you'll be able to download and install the application. Will be basically the same steps in order to sign up using your email and password. In the description down below we have a link where you can buy M2 Pro miner. We say discount $50. So just now we're gonna sign in into application. You need to choose the right images. We have two-factor authentication. You're gonna copy paste and you have Face ID as well. You have a passcode as well. So just now we are into account. You need to hit add button, and as you can see you can scan your miner, and this is what we're gonna do just now. So add, just press on the QR code, and as you can see you're mining immediately. It's just incredible. And just now we're gonna explain the lights. So just now we expecting connection. So the steady blue is mean booting. Blue blinking means initializing, and yellow blinking got the local IP address. A steady yellow will be internet okay, but no supernode connection. And yellow green fast blinking will be supernode connection is okay. LP1 service not running. And after we'll have yellow green slow blinking, which means supernode connection is okay. LP1 service running intermittently. And now we're expecting steady green, which means internet is okay. SN connection is okay. So once again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you next time.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way?